Lết văn sa chi ya dan simpen ye ngau mau kena mau sana trong keseng khotip nari video medang
Sekarang ada yang batik, hari ini batik jemput saya mau kepada pilih yang ngaplah. Pantai ular, stop.
Kebanyakan yang ambil belum. Nilai kena banggang, nilai kena bang. Nilai kena banggang, harga kecil sulit, harga ya, harga ini. Nilai kena aku belum. Dan nanti aku senang kedok masih, senang kecil dengan dalam masih kena hati lomba dan sebagainya. Tapi nilai kita dan tinggal di kita apa dengan sebagainya. Panjang kita dan
Bak bising to ya thuk khana no spanggan e ka jing thung mau benam tak ski
te kumpala kali ngan jumpa pe ya ka jumpa kepada hi kumpala kali reporter te nadu ke minta kasih ke kasih tung te kedar tarik pernah besipau arajara kosan te ngiwan bu ya gini mau benar na keleng kisnong namar wan bu hne kalong ke bajenjar ili apun hadu sau buai teli kita gi mau benar kemlong ke basuk wan bu ne mau benar ne lu sepat beneng te kalong ke si ke ba krawe hagane ke por namar minta kasih ikur ki ka gelayawan na keleng kisnong ke per kiseng kasih internet seng kasih ba per kasih serai keleng pelun ni te banwan tung ya lagi jong ki mau benar ki badai ki mau benar ki bansa nam hagine ki haune uluk sepat beneng jongi ki ba kita ki mensyua ki long syua ki mensyua jongi ki bala kila peluang yang ulung ba tentang pa PTV nama ulung jongi de ulung ba kerpang tam hagane ga rikasi jongi kalong kum keben hang ne ha rika si jongi ulum udai ulum uba kentang tam na banta jongi gi kun nyau trap nyau skum kup tang ide ban nyau kor ha bangi wan hang ne ro imdai bangi yala klumar bangi wan daga ba imtip play kupa pitip he aga tin kasih he akan yang kasih imtip play kata hi kemudian kam akan nega yo i gine gi mau benar ini ro pira menring ini pila yo i kila yo wan tung daki sen kasih gi ba per lagi jogi mau benar bang sanam ya kalawe kala syai haka peteng jogi hagi longdin ki mandin pan ngi ngila le pha menta keno tam ya ki longdin ki mandin lai kemut ne lu mo bakentang ladang ila ban le hadu kene ki benta kalong ka bakong san haka longdin ke mandin pat katahi ke badan kam haka ne ga pertega haka juk ke bamenta ladang imla ban pen scam ya ka baki long shwa ke man shwa jongi kila bu pateng hangi te kam long nong rim chu bangi di mas la pertero te ngiru kum ki kun samla kiseng kasih ki ba per na ka bentahi baki longdin ki mandin jongi kila ai benta ne kila pasat kila bu ya kane ka benta ka bakong san hakane ka jing im ka bangi im benta te ngiru ngis na du ka men sim ngi wanang ne ki kun ki hajar hang ne ki wan na keleng ki kentai ki kena samla
Sabi ko po, kung sing kasi sing me. Kenrat uba kanai usna artho maarthosa ani hamba kapi kaparka kapabasa nukda nukde temu yang ikiko kiseu henyaku nyatrat ai kateng kasi moka kepo moka kekio yaki mo lone doki lone damai saka upasaka ani ayai yudang bakai kentrat yang ani matang kijing ketku kendok toda.
Nah, kemudian kita telah borok, mentara ski layo pan pening, saupun pilih ki mau hendak sadam, ki belawala, lagi nak seksi senlah, nak keleng dari kesiden dia. For general information to all, today is a historic day where we've been able to monoliths brought by different units of Seksi Sentra.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Responsibility in preserving and protecting this ancient tradition at the sacred site of Ulom Sopet Beneng, the Honorable Governor of Meghalaya, Shri C.H. Vijay Shankar. We welcome you, sir, to this auspicious occasion at this sacred site of Ulom Sopet Beneng. We also extend a warm welcome to the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Shri Preston Tinsong, and Shri Sanbor Shulai, Cabinet Minister, Arts and Culture, Government of Meghalaya. To move on with our program,
Suara sepang kana jong lulus perbeleng katokan ni. Men bata sinsar ka hok kasikenti. Hakapor jong ayam siar bat kasutijuk. Ka kana ke tu bagi han riutrep ki kan yu skum. Hakaba uyakiu ya hiar lengba ke jengkeng siar nakliar ulum bakentang ulum sopat beleng. Lengba kemayan belai unyeu nakine ki kan riutrep wan hiar satbian. Kalaiti kalapan bat kalapan kso hau unyeu rengkat kalong niam long kom kalong riti kalong dustur ya ki bala pensiong norim hakabor jong katip hok tip sot tip riu tip lay tip kur tip kha bat ka akor ka burom ka jengking ster ulum sopat beneng ka syong menta hakamen sim bat ka donut jong way po way nama de lengba ka men sim siar man la kasni man la kastet da ka jing sacred honor and privilege to extend a warm welcome to the Honorable Governor of our state to this historical event. We are truly grateful that you have accepted our invitation and make time to pray us with your esteemed presence, even with your busy and tight schedule. Your presence inspire all of us in this gathering. Wish you robust health, happiness, and continued strength to guide our state with wisdom and compassion. May your visit today to this sacred peak of our race bring blessings to us and foster goodwill among all. To bless like a unang say sibun ba bab kerhai ki jingai ya baro manyo ya kakot ka kiatra bat ban yebit ya biang baro kuble sibun sia jamu yo bless like a
I'm deeply delighted with the presence of the Honorable Governor in this momentous day that we have in this hilltop, which is known as Lom Sopet Penang. Sir, thank you so much in spite of your health constraint. But still, out of love and affection to the Sengkhasi Khmer, you made it happen today. Before you take the stage, sir, the elders of the Sengkhasi, they took you to that sanctuary and they prayed for your good health. And I'm sure when you leave this place, you will find a solution and good health. So I don't want to talk much because time is also running out. Thank you so much for the invitation that I should also be part of this celebration. And Pak Sanbor Shulai, who is also part of yours, the Honorable Minister of Arts and Culture, all the dignitaries who are here on the stage, but kamtam shibun nga ai kublay piki pai ba jong kiseng kme kiseng khasi kidkhot jong kaseng nakleng saujong jong kabri uhnyo trep kibia don lang ha kani kajan mit kani kadai kasngi bat kajan mit kaban pensa jingkan mau kaletiya kabashispa arhosan snem jong kaseng khasi seng kami kalapen kha ya ki unit ki ba pher hapo kabri unyo trep bat ngangech khemru banang ne shakmat phinang la shushu ya kaban multiply ya kani kajing shakri hapo jong kabri unyo trep brokoi tinga ai khublei episai sisen pat kan ke jinglaki ka basis pa arposan snem bat satang katu kan teli kita yo pin saya penkut ia kan ka celebration ka badap sispa arpusan stem ngangej kem bau trai kenrat nongbu nong thau unang yalam susu yakin nong yalam jong ka sengkmi ki unit ki baper ki circles ki baper ki badon hapo jong kabri uhanyau tret ujongi koblei siajangu ya kiramba jong kaseng kebela penkopru yangi yakaneka turban kebingong. Sir, I think the way they put us in the turban, I remember those days. Three greatest personality in Meghalaya. Number one is Utirot Singh. Number two is Ukyang Nongba. And number three is Patikan Sangma. So you signify that, sir. It signifies that. So you looks like Tirot Singh. You looks like yes. You looks like exactly like Tirot Singh. Patukan Sangma, and also you looks like Kyang Nongba. Then I could play Saishin, but ya pi barok. Kit khot jong kaseng dongin yami nang ne uneu de ulum kentang obanne pateng la pateng banga kremen skem baka jaj benri jongi kanang suthi batru kanang im nakawe ka pateng sakwe pat khoblei pi siajamu
khoblei shibon ya pi
Okay, it's all right. Very good evening to all of you. No sound. Very good evening to all of you. Probably it is an unforgettable day for me. I never forget this day. As soon as I entered here in this sacred hill, the way how you people receive me, that warm welcome, then all of the peace of this community taken me to that sacred place where you people always believe during our forefathers' days. There is a direct ladder to the heaven. There is a direct connection to the heaven. In that place, all of you, priests and seniors of the community, you have prayed for me, for my health. This kind of actually prayers never going to waste. Any prayers never going to waste. In that way, I am really very grateful to particularly this community as if you have done prayer for me today. And secondly, I know very well the historical background of this place, religious background of this place, social background of this place, cultural background of this place, all your sentiments, all of your sentiments carry with this hill, So in that way, it is my opportunity. After I come here as a governor after 14 months, every day, whenever I used to travel to Guwahati, all the times I think, when that day comes, when I come to this place and got an opportunity to visit this place. You see, God's grace, my sincere prayer from many months, ultimately God allowed me, God allowed me, all the seniors of the community, very dignitaries of the community, made up your mind and you have united me here, and all of you blessed. Really, again I tell you, I remain grateful to you forever. Shri Prishon, Tensong, Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Shri Shanbor Sholai, Honorable Minister of Art and Culture, Department of Meghalaya, respected dignitaries, forever Kosi, now people is not merely a geographical location, but a divine symbol of origin, righteousness, spiritual purity and truth. The history of faith and culture, wisdom embedded in this line remained as that the spiritual connection between the Creator and humanity continues through prayer, through purity of thought, and through the deep belief that goodness must always be out of guidance light. But here, I would like to say one thing by standing here. It is not only applicable to me, not only applicable to the people who are sitting on the dais, it is applicable to the whole people. What is that? What is that? One do not know. One do not know their historical background, their own history, their own tradition, their own historical background. Who do not know their history, they cannot create history. They cannot create history. Our forefathers, they have created such a history. Our forefathers have created such a history. They were able to reach heaven directly from here. We have to think now.
All facilities like road connectivity, water connection, and other facilities at Ulum Supet Beneng in assisting the Sengkasi in preserving the area in and around this sacred peak. However, we humbly seek your esteemed support on the following issues. Number one, declaration of Lau Nong Tro at Ulum Supet Beneng as a heritage site. The area holds immense historical and religious importance. Recent excavation and field study have revealed compelling evidence that Lau Nong Tro is an ancient settlement. The site